Here's another question. At sprint planning, 3 developers get into an argument about the sprint plan. After an hour of raised tempers, personal insults are exchanged. What should the Scrum Master do? Choose one. Diffuse the conflict by suggesting techniques to better plan work. End the discussion, speak to the product owner, and see if certain developers need to be removed from the team. Take the people involved aside, ask them to resolve the situation outside the Scrum team if required through their managers. Conduct a session to help the Scrum team resolve the conflict and create a sprint plan. Remind the other members of the team that conflicting ideas are to be expected, but they are accountable as professionals and should not make it personal. As a Scrum Master, you are accountable for removing impediments to progress. Conflict is, of course, an impediment. You are also accountable for coaching the team in self-management and making sure the sprint events are positive and productive. You're also there to coach the team on the Scrum values, one of which is to be respectful, and to remind the developers that they are accountable as professionals. So as a Scrum Master, there's a lot for you to be involved with. However, remember it's your role to guide the team to solve their own issues rather than try and fix issues for them. This is where you conduct a session or facilitate again.